today's topic is not your basic base coat, specifically our color tinted base coats, because there is so much fun things to do with base coats that personally I don't ever really usually use the base coats as a base coat. I love using them for many other things. So this is our first base coat, and this is called Calcium Rich Blushing Base Coat. I love this one. It is a very sheer pink, and that is good to give your nails a healthy tint. The second one is our concealing base coat. So originally this base coat is created to temporarily hide stained yellowed nails, or you use nail polish all the time and for some reason you got a little bit of color staining, then you can use something like this and this will help cancel that out. And that's why we call it the concealing base coat, because it's almost like concealer but for your nails. And this pink base looks so good paired with polishes from the Sunray collection. And then do one coat over, and look at how pretty that is. The next one that we're going to show you is the brightening base coat, and then this is kind of more of a beige color. Again, this color will look good on everyone. It doesn't matter what your skin tone is, and it's just a very neutral color. Both of these are great. For example, don't have time to do your nails, but you want your nails to look at least like a little polished and clean. It's also perfect if you work for a job that maybe, they're really strict about showing nail art or having different nail colors. Then you can still have something protecting your nails and also have a polished, finished look. So when would you need this? Because this is also very useful. And then this is created to look good on everyone.